Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about what makes Python so special. Yeah, Python, and let's talk about the basic overview of the Python. So Python is a high-level, interpreted, interactive, object-oriented scripting language. Python is designed to be heavily readable and it uses English keywords. Python is designed to be highly readable and it uses English keywords frequently, whereas other languages use punctuations and some syntactical construction. But Python has a very easy syntax. It's interpreted. What does that mean? It's a runtime language and you do not need to compile it before executing it. It's very similar to Perl and PHP. It's interactive in nature, so you can actually set that Python prompt and you can interact directly. We'll see it once you will write that program and you will get the output very immediately. So that's a very good feature with the Python has. And apart from all these features, it's an object-oriented programming language. So all the OOPS concept is available in Python. And I think one of the best reason to go for the Python is it's a beginner's language. Python is great language for beginners level and it supports development of larger application from web development to data science and to creating games to large applications. So let's start with the very basic history of Python. So Python was developed by Godot and Rossum and in the late 80s and early 90s at the National Research Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. So it's been derived from many other languages including ABC, C, C++, Algol and using the Unix scripting language. It's a mixture of a lot of languages. It's been copyrighted and like other programming language, it's an open source and it's available with GPL language license. Sorry. And it's also maintained by code development team and it's an open source community and still being headed by the person who invented it. Very few features we'll talk about and on the broader perspective, it's very easy to learn, easy to read and easy to maintain. That makes it most likable and most lovable language of 2020. Broad standard library, it has a huge support from open source community. Very interactive mode, you can just write a code and you get the output. It's portable, you can take it anywhere, plug it with any other programming language. It gel very easily with any other programming language. It's extendable. It has application with all the database, help you in creating GUI programming language and scalable. So that makes a lot of good features for Python. These are some installing steps. Check out my another video if you want to know how you can install Python in your program. And I will tell you how you can install the Python for different OS you have. For Linux, follow these steps, and for Windows, you can follow these steps, and for Mac, you can follow these steps to download it Python.